Are you ready for some holiday fun? I am. Let's go ahead and start our next art project with drawing Max. All right, to draw Max, we're going to go ahead and find the middle of our page. And we're going to draw a line coming across. And then from here, we're going to curve up towards this corner up here. We're going to go up, and I'm almost all the way to the corner. Down here at the bottom, we're going to draw an oval. And then I'm going to draw another line coming sideways. And it's going to curve up, but it's going to curve up a little closer in. And then we're going to draw an oval about the same size right there. And on the other side of that oval, we're going to draw a line coming down. Make mine a little longer. And then from there, once again, we're going to curve up. And then right here between these two lines, we're going to draw another oval. All right, now right inside this part right here, we're going to draw a curved line coming down. And over here, a curved line coming down. And those are the top of Max's head. Now right in the middle of those two, I'm going to draw on this side a line curving up and out. And on this side, a line curving up and out. On top of that line, we're going to draw an oval because that's going to be his eye, but it's not going to have the bottom. So we're going to start here. We come up and over with an oval and it just attaches right there. Over on this side, we're going to do a skinnier oval. So we're going to start halfway and we're going to make it the same height, but it's going to just come right there. Now inside here, over on this side, we're going to draw a circle and we're going to color it in right on that corner. And we're going to draw another circle on this side about the same size and color it in. And then up on top, we're going to draw some eyebrows just to arch over and an arch over. Starting at this eye, we're going to draw a line coming out and down. And then we're going to draw a line, sideways line coming over, way over. So it almost lines up with the cheek. And then we're going to draw a sideways almost oval. And up above our almost oval, right about halfway of our oval, we're going to draw a line coming up kind of like the side of a heart. We're going to curve out and in. Over on this side, we're going to do other half of our heart, going the other way and back in. But this time, we're going to bring it in. All right, right here at our little nose oval right here, we're going to start in the middle of it right here, and we're going to draw a big U kind of coming backwards and curving up. So I'm right about under this eye right here. Then I'm going to draw another U. This one's a little wider, out and up. And then I'm going to draw a U across it like that. Now this wide U we have right here, we're going to draw a line curving down. And we're going to draw his tongue. So we're going to come halfway, and I'm going to come over and down and back up. Kind of looks like a worm, but it's going to be his tongue. And then right up here, I'm just going to draw another line to attach. on this side where I had this come in, I'm just going to curve it down a little bit like that. And then right next to the mouth, I'm going to draw a line curving in. It's going to come around and up. So it kind of jumps over the tongue and we see it connect on the other side. There we go. Max is coming together, but it doesn't have any ears yet. So we're going to come right up here and on this side, we're just going to draw a line coming out and curving. And this one, we're going to draw a line coming up. Underneath it, we're going to draw another one. Kind of goes a little wider. And then when it gets here, we want it to curve down. And this one's going to do that too. It's going to curve down and then it's going to attach. Now just like the other side, we're going to make a follow along line. So they go the same way, but it gets a little wider. And then this one's going to curve this way. And I'm going to go from here and follow it around to connect. Now he's got some ears. All right, down here for his body, we're going to start at that neck that we started, and we're just going to do a line curving out. And on the other side, coming out of his mouth, kind of where his tongue and his mouth meet, we're going to do another one coming out and down. This one we want to make some hair, so I'm going to do some little jagged lines. I did 2, and then I'm going to curve back in. I did 2 little hairs, and then I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to curve out and back in. I'm going to come inside and make another line that comes and follows along down like so. And then over on this side, I want another line that comes down and in. So now I've got 2 legs. All right, we got our 2 arms now here, and we want to draw some feet. So here at the bottom, I'm going to draw upside down V. And then this one's going to come out. And from here, I'm going to curve it and come out to meet. And this one's going to come out. And from the top, I'm going to curve it to come meet. And then we need to just add some toes on each side. Right, coming up just a little bit on this side, we're going to draw a curved line coming up. And that's his belly. And then from up here, we're going to draw the top half of his belly. And then just above where we ended that, I'm going to draw a little curve mountain. And I'm going to keep extending it down to about here where those 2 meet. Then I'm going to make this another foot coming out and down. And I'm going to bring it back and connect. Let's add some toes on that back foot. And do you know what he's missing? He's missing a tail. So back here, off of this little knee right here, I'm going to draw a line coming up with some jagged lines. And then I'm going to have another up line. And then starting right here, I'm going to come up. And then I'm going to draw some jagged lines again. And connect. I'm going to draw 1, 2 lines inside the tail, just for accent. And right here, I'm going to draw a couple lines just for accent for his hair on his chest. And the last thing we have is, this is on top of Max's head, but how? We have to draw the string that's holding it. So we're going to start here, and we're going to draw a curved line coming all the way up to the top of that bone that's on his head, or antler. And then up on the top from there, we're just going to draw 2 loops for a bow. And there we go. Our Max is ready. All right, all that's left to do is to color. Are you ready to see my final drawing? There it is. He turned out so cute. What a fun art project this was. I love the holidays and all the fun characters that come with it. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had an awesome time, and I hope you hang that masterpiece up on the fridge. Be sure to like and subscribe, and as always, come back for more How to Draw.